Agent Renovation, and I'm Ashley Nielsen. I'm teaching you how to play the real estate game. Apply what you learn here and you will level up. The current coupons we're going over are for Bootiful, a wonderful smoothie place located right here in North Vancouver. It's our favorite, and everyone in our community loves Bootiful. For that reason, we knew they were a winning strategy to choose. Also, you'll notice that $1 off on version 1 versus you've got 15% off on version 2. The smoothies are about $10 at Bootiful, give or take, depending how special you want to get. And even though 10% off, this is 15, but even though if it was 10% off or $1, that's the same. However, $1 does not look as good on a coupon as the percentage. Although it's the same amount that the customer is saving, it actually appears and the perception is that 15% or 10% would be much larger, even if you had the same dollar amount to equal the same discount. The percentage always looks larger. So a pro tip is to go with the percentage. And that's why we've updated this on our version too.